Let me introduce myself. My name is Ainun Mardiah Putri from Accounting Program with NPM 244120003, class IKT 24A. In this video, I will explain about the power of demand and supply in economics. Definition of demand and supply. Demand refers to the willingness and ability of consumers to purchase goods or services at a certain price level during a specific period. It's not just about desire, but also the ability to buy. Example, you might want a new smartphone, but if it's too expensive and you cannot afford it, your desire does not count as demand in economics. Supply refers to the quantity of goods or service that producers are willing and able to sell at a certain price level during a specific period. Producers tend to increase the quantity supplied when prices rise as they expect higher profits. Example, when the price of chili peppers increases significantly, many farmers switch to growing chili to take advantage of the high prices. Number 2, fundamental principles. The law of demand and supply. The law of demand: the lower the price of a good, the higher the quantity demanded, and vice versa. Reason: lower prices increase consumers' purchasing power. Goods become more affordable to a larger group of consumers. The law of supply: the higher the price of a good, the greater the quantity supplied by producers and vice versa. Reason: higher prices, profit, and incentive for producers to increase production due to the potential for higher profit. Number 3, market equilibrium point. The market equilibrium point occurs when the quantity of goods demanded by consumers equals the quantity supplied by producers. Equilibrium price: the price agreed upon by consumers and producers. Equilibrium quantity: the amount of goods or service sold at the equilibrium price. Illustration: if a fish market in a city finds that the price of fish at $2 per kilogram balance the demand and supply, then $2 is the equilibrium price. Number 4, factors influencing demand and supply. Demand: income. When consumer income rises, their purchasing power increases, leading to higher demand for goods and services. Example, when people earn more, they tend to buy luxury items such as cars or electronics. Tastes and preferences. Just interests or preferences can affect demand. Example, the trend of artisanal coffee has increased demand for specialty coffee product. Price of substitute. If the price of substitute good rises, the demand for the primary good also rises. Example, if the price of tea increases, demand for coffee as an alternative is likely to rise. Future expectation. If consumers anticipate that prices will increase in the future, they might buy more now. Example, when rumors of full price hikes circulate, demand often spikes before the official price change. Supply production costs. If production costs increase, producers might reduce supply due to reduced profit. Example, a rise in wheat prices can cause bread producers to cut back on production. Technology. New technology can enhance production efficiency, allowing producers to supply more at the same price. Example, automation in the textile factories has enabled increased fabric production. And taxes and subsidies. Taxes can increase production costs and reduce supply, while subsidies can lower costs and boost supply. Example, government subsidies for fertilizers help farmers produce more crop. Number 5. Shift in demand and supply curve. Demand shift right increase occurs when income rises or goods become more popular. Shift left or decrease occurs when income drops or goods lose their appeal. Supply shift right increase happens when technology improves or production costs fall. Shift left decrease happens when raw material costs rise or disaster hinder production. 6. Market imbalance. Surplus and shortage. Surplus exchange supply occurs when producers supply more goods than consumers demand. Prices tend to drop to clear the excess. Example, after a harvest season, rice supplies are abundant and prices typically decrease. Shortage excess demand occurs when consumers demand more goods than producers can supply. Prices tend to rise due to scarcity. Example, during holiday season, airline tickets are hard to find and prices skyrocket. Number 7. Government role in regulating the market to address market imbalance. Government often intervene. Price ceiling protect consumers from excessively high prices, especially for essential goods. Example, setting maximum prices for LPG gas. Price floor protect producers from suffering significant losses. Example, minimum price policies from For crops like rice, subsidies encourage producers to supply more goods at lower costs. Example, subsidy for public transportation. Number 8. Application of demand and supply in real life. First, technology. When demand for smartphone increases, technology companies compete to increase supply by creating new models. Food commodities. When natural disaster reduce vegetable harvest, market price soar as supply decreases while demand remains high. Conclusion: the power of demand and supply shapes market dynamics. By understanding how they work, we can Conclusion: the power of demand and supply shapes market dynamics. By understanding how they work, we can predict price change, strategies in business, or even craft more effective economic policies. This concept is not only relevant in local markets but also in global markets, such as trading in oil, gold, and other commodities. Thank you for everyone to Thank you for everyone and see you in the next video. See you.